Operating the Green APU is very straightforward, utilizing a single knob to navigate and control the functions. The APU performs two primary functions, climate control and battery charging. To begin, go to the home screen and select Climate Control. The controller will automatically begin a 30-second countdown as the unit primes the fuel. Glow plugs will automatically turn on depending on the outside temperature. Once the unit starts, it performs a quick self-check, then automatically begins climate control according to your set temperature. Simply rotate the knob in either direction to reach your desired temperature. As you can see, the unit will automatically switch between AC and heat as needed to maintain comfort inside your truck. While in this mode, the unit will also charge your batteries and preheat your main engine block. You'll have two fan options, auto high and auto low. The fan will automatically adjust its speed depending on the truck's interior temperature and your selected mode. To change between fan settings, press the knob, scroll to fan speed, and choose between auto high or auto low. In this example, we'll select auto low. To shut down the unit, simply press the knob and choose APU engine off. Another key feature is battery and temperature monitoring. When you're away from the truck for extended periods, select Battery Charger on the home screen. In this mode, the unit will monitor your truck's battery voltage and coolant temperature. If either drops below the set threshold, the unit will automatically turn on to charge your batteries, preheat your main engine block, and then will automatically shut down. The unit will repeat this process as needed, ensuring you return to your truck with charged batteries and a preheated engine block. Service hours can be viewed from the home screen. Simply scroll down to Maintenance and select Service Hours. From here, you'll see total run hours, hours spent in AC, charge, and heat modes, along with the amount of time since your last oil change. After completing an oil change, scroll down to Reset Oil Timer and press the knob. Confirm the reset and your oil timer will be updated. You can verify this by returning to the Service Hours screen.